PMJ Jewels hosts a luxury studded jewelry display in Bengaluru. Showcasing over 10,000 exquisite designs, PMJ Jewels strengthens its presence in Bangalore with a grand bridal and half-sari jewelry collection display. Bengaluru, Karnataka, 13th October 2025, PMJ Jewels, one of South India's leading jewelry brands, is present across 7 stores in Bengaluru and 1941 stores across South India. Over the weekend, they hosted a luxurious studded bridal and half-sari jewelry display. Over 10,000 designs were showcased at the venue, ranging from contemporary diamonds and colored gemstones to traditional polki and temple jewelry masterpieces. The collection brings together rich jarao and kundan sets, designed for brides-to-be and half-sari milestones. It extends into elegant pieces for festive gatherings, weddings, and treasured family occasion. Beyond these, there is an array of lightweight collections waiting to be discovered. The display witnessed an impressive footfall of over 700 visitors across Bengaluru. The company, which has been Hyderabad's trusted family jeweler for over 6 decades, is strengthening its footprint across all of South India. This display was designed to showcase PMJ Jewels' distinctive studded collections. They also brought focus to Vaddanam, the traditional kamarband, reimagined in designs that celebrate heritage and craftsmanship. The display included a sneak peek of the Pavitram collection, a special bridal jewelry line that embodies purity, sanctity, and heritage. More than jewelry, the collection embodies the matrimonial sanctity that surrounds every wedding while being designed to represent blessings, tradition, and elegance. The Pavitram jewelry collection will now be available in all stores across Bengaluru, as well as in other cities. We are rooted in culture, and we have a strong and intimate relationship with the Telugu and South Indian diaspora across the country and the world. All our collections continue to focus on tradition, on jewelry that becomes a part of a family's heritage. We are proud to bring our heritage-rich collections to Bengaluru, allowing the city's brides and families to experience jewelry steeped in tradition. Kushal Kankaria, Chairman, PMJ Jewels, commented on the display. Bridal and half-sari jeweler, the brand's signature offering. At the core of PMJ's approach to the market is a focus on half-sari jewelry and bridal jewelry. The Hall Sari ceremony is a widely observed milestone in South Indian culture, as it marks a significant transition for girls into womanhood. PMJ Jewels has been the trusted partner to bridal and half-sari jewelry, the brand's signature offering. At the core of PMJ's approach to the market is a focus on half-sari jewelry and bridal jewelry. The half-sari ceremony is a widely observed milestone in South Indian culture, as it marks a significant transition for girls into womanhood. PMJ Jewels has been the trusted partner to celebrate this.